Hi everyone, my name is Julian Smith Cumber Cardoso. I am 17 years old and I live in Neiva Huila, Colombia. I study system engineering at university. I am in the second semester and I love programming and computers. And my hobbies are playing video games, coding a small project, listening to electronic music, and watching test videos on YouTube. Now about my daily routine, I wake at the 6:30 in the morning. Then I have breakfast and check my emails. I go to university at a school and 12:30 I have lunch in the cafeteria with my classmate. In the afternoon, I study online, do homework, and practice English. And I have dinner at 7 p.m. and sometimes I code in the 10 p.m. With my family, we do two drinks every week. On Saturdays, we visit my grandmother and play board games together. On Sundays, we do the shopping at mall, eat ice cream, and watch movies at home. That allow me thank you for watching and see you next time.